ethic all session. Also was able to explore deeper into the different aspects of breaking by themselves. They just approached me during class and be like, oh, I learned this on YouTube. And really excited to see the students' progress in the future. So without further ado, our outstanding student for Long Beach is Samantha Alitaka.
We got you come up the stairs right here, or you could go around, or you could dive bomb on from here. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So from now on, if you guys want to just come up from this staircase right here, that's perfect. It's really accessible. Okay. All right. Congratulations, Samantha. Go ahead and show it to the crowd. Open it up. Open it up and show it to the crowd. Make some noise for Samantha. Awesome job, Samantha. All right, one last round of applause for Samantha. All right, next up, we're going to be giving Outstanding Student Award to one of the Long Beach crew members. This student in particular has been working really hard. We've been making things work with their schedule to be at as many classes as possible, but every time they come to class, they are working hard, and I personally have seen a lot of growth with this particular student. Obviously, everybody in the crew is growing, but we can only give an award to one person, so that is going to be Elijah Estrella. Where's Elijah? Hey! Go ahead. Thanks so much for Elijah, everybody. This kid got his windmills. He got his windmills this session. That's a very, very tough move. You got to put in a lot of work and a little bit of luck, too. All right. Thank you so much, Elijah. Appreciate you, buddy. Don't let that... Oh, you know what? We're just going to pretend that can't happen. Hold that right there. All right, Andrew, you want to go next?
Hello, everybody. What's up? What's up? So this is a student of mine that comes to my beginners. Always comes to class with a good attitude, good listener, always executes. If they miss a day, they came on another day where we had beginners class, so they were always like ready to train up and get into class. So without further ado, can I get Elana Evita Carbonillo? Elana, are you here? I have shades on, I can't see. Oh, are you coming? Is that them? Is that them? No? Well, I don't think they're. Okay, okay, this next one is for the crew. Now, this kid in particular works very hard, and I can tell he's very passionate about getting himself better and improving. He got a lot of moves done in a very short amount of time. I was very impressed by it. And he might be very critical about himself, but he's always coming in with a good attitude, and he always wants to be the best that he can be. So, can I get Dylan Pack here? There you go. Good job, good job. There you go. There you go. One more time for Dylan, please, please.
Good? Over there? Okay, cool. Hello, everybody. For the Orange County area, I have chosen two outstanding students. First one, he came into my class, learned all the moves. He goes to his other dance classes, he learns all the moves there. He wants to be a leader. He wants to learn everything he possibly can and move up. He even observes at intermediate classes sometimes. Give it up for Gavin Balagat. My next one, I have no idea if they're still here or not, but we will still go through with it. He is in my WeBreakers class. He is powerful. This kid knows everything. He wants to learn. He's like a sponge. He absorbs everything. He has attitude. He's fresh. He's clean and everything. Give it up for Riot Castaneda. You still here, buddy? Riot? Riot, maybe? Somewhere? Okay. Anybody just want to take a picture of me holding this? That's fine. Very good. Cheese.
Make some noise for them, y'all. Let's go. Awesome. My Outstanding Student Awards, it is so many kids to choose from who work really hard. So this really took me a long time to really choose who I wanted to give this award to. But this student always shows up and he's ready to go. He breaks inside the studio after we finish. He's still dancing while his mom's taking him to the car. And he really, I feel like he doesn't understand it yet, but he embodies that b-boy just lifestyle. He's breaking everywhere he goes, and his style is really unique. So the first award for my beginners, I want to give it to Zayden Chang. Zayden Chang, where's Zayden at? Woo! All right. Alright, if you guys want to take a picture. Hey, they call you Think too, right? You guys are troublemakers. Alright, cool. The next one, this goes to one of my crew students. He is our new member of our West LA On 3 crew. And this kid works really hard. Everybody knows this name. That's what's up. So, yeah, anywhere you go, this kid always stirs up the energy because he is always hungry to learn. He is always eager to share energy with you. And he works really hard when it comes to working on his moves. And he's just a really awesome human being. And I love that he's part of our crew because he's brought in a new energy. And he's gotten along really well with all of our students. And it really makes me happy to have him part of our crew because he really brings in a different element that resonates with the crew itself. So this award goes to Mix 1. Alright. My last student award. Actually, this student award, it comes with a few things. So as of this session, we started a program called the Mentorship Program in our West LA and also with WeBreak as well, where we take our crew and we actually give them a couple of minutes to work with the intermediates and really help them develop their moves. And specifically, we're working on windmills this session. And so when we started the session, I was like, hey guys, each crew member gets an intermediate, and whoever gets the intermediate to learn how to windmill gets a prize. So everyone's like, oh, and then they started working really hard. Now, there was a kid who got it really quick, and he got it down, and then he, all of his classmates saw he was getting it down, and they were like, oh, I gotta work harder now. So it helped him and really pushed him forward. Yeah, and this kid got his windmills down, and now he's really doing them really well, and he's got like 10 windmills now, which is really awesome. So, this award goes to Kai. Where's Kai at? Kai, I hope you leave. Oh, right here. Alright, go. Go right here. Hold on. Alright, and his mentor, Battle Monkey, let's go! Alright, as promised guys, here is your award for learning how to do windmills. And specifically because you push yourself really hard, make sure, take care of those, okay? Make sure you clean them. They're brand new, but you know, when you mess them up, make sure you clean them. Just like I clean mine. Gotta keep your Adidas fresh. Make some noise, y'all! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is
was our award segment. Let's take a big picture with everybody. Scoot back. Let's make a big line. And let's get a big picture. Nice little video. Remember, tag us on Instagram, y'all. Everybody hands up. Boom. Fresh. Boom. Make some noise. Alright, everybody, you guys go back to your spots. We are going to continue with our show. Okay.